If your laundry room currently looks like a detergent explosion, guilty as charged. So recently, I did a laundry room refresh, and I'm going to show you exactly what made it look intentional with small updates that have a big impact. This is a simple laundry room makeover. No renovation, no demo, no drama. Just smart, easy upgrades. And the best part? Almost all of what I use is from Amazon. Yep, and that's why I love Amazon because it's very easy. They ship very quickly, and you can have your update done very, very fast. And since it is from Amazon, you can recreate all of this without hunting the internet. And as always, I have everything linked down below in the description. Hi, ladies, Beth here. And yes, I know, laundry. It's not glamorous, right? But if we're going to spend time in a room folding towels and making peace with sock orphans, I mean, honestly, where do they go? I've just been racking my brain for about 50 years. When I'm missing one sock out of 50, where exactly does that go? And I remember Jerry Seinfeld had a really cute little spiel about that, that they kind of, went up against the washing machine and then they're going to make their big escape. I do wonder about that. Since I am in the laundry room, that space really needs to feel calm and it also needs to feel pretty. And as always, I'll link everything I can down below in the description box because YouTube doesn't directly link to Amazon. But again, they let us have the links down below in the description box. And as always, if you shop through my links, it supports my work at no extra cost to you. So big thank you from me to you. And before we get into the laundry room preview, and I have lots of photos and we'll have a little video as well. And every once in a while, I do take you through a little home tour. I have a kitchen home tour, I have a YouTube home tour, and I'm not sure if I did my bedroom yet or not. You can tell me if you're interested in that. I do like to share little tidbits of my life because I love home design. If you can believe this, I love home design better than I love fashion design. And I do think it's really important to stay on top of our spaces and to make them feel beautiful and lovely. It's my sanctuary, and I'm sure you feel the same way. And I also just wanted to share that on Wednesdays, so in 2026, this is really how the YouTube channel is going to go. So on Sundays, we'll always have our heavy hitter, our fashion video. We recently had winter trends that I'm wearing. We had denim trends. But on Wednesdays, and this is how the channel initially was fashioned after. So Wednesdays are all about beauty. So it could be skincare. It could be my makeup. It could be my home tour. It could be health and wellness. I mean, all the things that we need in our lives after 50 to make it a really beautiful and lovely life. So that's really how the channel is going to be set up going forward. So that's why we are having my laundry room makeover with Amazon. And no, I'm not partnering with them. It's just that everything did come from them. So first up, here's a problem. The room worked technically, but it felt dated. It felt cluttered and visually loud. And I've learned, both in style and in life, it's never too late for a refresh. Not your home, not your wardrobe, not your mindset. So my goal was simple. Make this laundry room feel brighter, more organized, and more finished without doing anything complicated. And I don't know about you, but I'm a Virgo, and so we're actually very organized. And the minute that I feel very cluttered or disorganized, I really feel like I kind of have like a little chokehold on me. So that's really just how my laundry room is feeling for quite some time. So that's why I decided I'm just going to do a little refresh, and I focus on 5 updates that give you the biggest payoff, the biggest bang for your buck. So first, paint, hardware, lighting. So easy to change these things up. And no, I don't do my own painting. I haven't for a really long time. Early in my marriage, when Mr. Sal was alive and I was in my 20s, I had the energy, the time and the energy to do those things. But now I hire it out. And boy, I think having a good painter on hand is really important. And I have an amazing one. His name is Omar. I love him. I always have a couple projects a year. And he just transforms everything in like a day or two. They haul everything out, they put everything back in, and I just watch the transformation. But I do think that the biggest transformation and the easiest is with paint. So I have the cabinets and the built-in shelves painted. And this is a Sherwin-Williams color, so it's called a smoked gray. So it's really a soft blue gray, but I think it feels polished without being cold. And then I painted the walls Sherwin-Williams alabaster, which is a warm white that keeps everything light and bright. And then I swapped the cabinet hardware for new cabinet pulls. And I'm telling you, hardware is like jewelry. It's a small change that makes the entire room feel more custom. And yes, it is from Amazon. And then I upgraded the overhead light to a 6 light gold semi flush fixture because better lighting instantly makes a laundry room feel more real room and less utility closet. So here's my style tip. If you only do one thing in your laundry room, paint the cabinets. It's the fastest way to make the space look finished and custom. Okay, next, and I think this was the biggest transformation, and I don't know where I've been because I'm sure that they've been around for a long time, but the upgrade that changed the function of the room, I added a bamboo washer dryer countertop that sits right on top of the machines. And I have front loaders, so that's how you can make that happen. If you had just a regular washing machine, you wouldn't be able to do this. But if you do have a front loader, and I love my front loaders, this is amazing. And yes, it is from Amazon. It has rails so things don't roll off. It also has these little rubber, anti-vibration cushioned little, I mean, they're just like these round pads that you just put under it as well. And so it really does help with noise. It really helps with things falling off. So you don't really have to worry. I mean, sometimes I'll overload my machine, just, rattles and rolls. You don't have to worry about that with the anti-vibration pads. But I absolutely love this topper. And it instantly gave me a proper surface. And you could do two things with this surface. You could absolutely have nothing on top and just use it as folding and organizing and stacking things. Or you can be like me and I've staged some things there. So I have a little tray there, and then I brought in a lot of organizational tools that really help me keep on top of my laundry. And I don't know about you, but I mean, I'm not a big laundry person. I never have. I mean, I don't know. I suppose there are some people that absolutely love to do laundry. Let me know if that's you down below. But I think most of us are kind of like, we kind of give a big yawn when it's laundry day. But this topper, and it's, as I said, it's bamboo. It was one of those things. It was just like, where have I been? Why did I not add this sooner? Because once you have an actual surface, the rest of the room gets easier to keep tidy. So now we'll go on to organization because this is where Amazon really shines. I switched to containers that look clean and cohesive. So that's what's sitting on top of the bamboo topper, and it doesn't feel cluttered. For laundry boosters, I use a half-gallon glass jar for my OxiClean and a gallon jar for my Tide because I do like a stain remover and my detergent still in powder. You can switch to other things, but that's just what I prefer. So they look beautiful in these glass containers. And I also use clear jars with labels for pods, scent boosters, and clothespins. And yes, labels matter. Labels are basically how you trick your brain into thinking your life is under control. And I'll take that whenever I can get it. And I also keep my specialty detergents here. So, I mean, sitting on top of the bamboo topper. So I love Laundress Beauty Sleep. And so that's obviously for my pajamas. And, sometimes I'll even use it for my sheets. And I also love Laundress Delicate Wash. And that's for my lingerie and all of my delicate items that I wash by hand or on the delicate cycle in my washing machine. And I also have a stain brush ready to go because, hello, stains never show up when you're free and emotionally stable. They always arrive during chaos. And then dryer balls. Okay, this was also another big game changer for me. I love dryer balls. So I use the Whitmore dryer balls, and those are the spiky ones for sheets and anything that's heavy duty like blankets. And then I use the wool dryer balls for clothes. And they truly, okay, maybe it's all my mind, but I think they truly speed up the dry cycle. But for sure, they help reduce static and they're better than constantly buying dryer sheets and more eco-friendly. And that's also where I am at this stage of my life. I do try to be as sustainable as possible. And here's a quick laundry tip. If your towels feel stiff, it's often because you're putting in too much detergent and too much softener. So dryer balls help, and using a little less product usually helps more than using more. Okay, so let's talk about the details that make it feel styled. I added a trio of minimalist prints in black frames, and they're functional, not just pretty. And they're just so cute because one is a stain removal chart, right? So I actually just go over there and I just get a little reminder of how to remove stains. And another one is a laundry symbols guide. And then one says the laundry room is open 24 hours, which technically or unfortunately, it really is. And then I did something that makes a shocking difference. I added a lamp. This is a beautiful ceramic lamp. So no, this isn't from Amazon. This is actually from Pottery Barn. But I just love the color. And it just went beautifully with my brand new cabinets. And it gives a warm light at night, and a warm light makes any space feel more inviting. And then again, I switched out the overhead lighting because that can also sometimes feel harsh, especially in a utility room. But I think with the combo of the lamp and the overhead light, it just instantly softens the vibe. Okay, so now we're on to the part that keeps the room from sliding back into chaos. So I set up simple zones: detergents and stain supplies, folding surface, towels, and cleaning cloths air dry zone. So I use woven baskets to corral towels and cleaning cloths, and I added a faux plant for little life. Pretty storage is a secret weapon because it hides the mess without pretending you don't live here. And I love, love, love a drying rack, and I always use a drying rack. And I've mentioned this many times on the channel. Heat is not necessarily our friend when it comes to clothes. So that's why I have a laundry rack that's actually mounted to the wall. And then I had that painted to match the cabinets. And this drying rack is from Ballard Design. So no, it's not from Amazon, but I love it because I truly consider it a must have for anything delicate or anything that I want to last, like my cashmere sweaters. And then scent. Laundry rooms can get musty, especially if you have damp things sitting too long. I don't necessarily have that so much now that I'm not raising my family. I mean, when I had 3 boys, that definitely was something I was very cognizant about. But I do like a lovely smelling laundry room. So that's where a diffuser comes in. So I added a Sea and Dune Reed diffuser, and it instantly makes the room feel fresh and pulled together. And the good thing is, I mean, you can get refills for the diffuser, but if you're finished with it, you can actually use this beautiful container as a vase. So I like that too. And here's a quick tip: don't trap damp towels in a closed hamper. And if your room tends to hold moisture, crack the door or use a small fan when you can. Okay, and here's a big pizzazz. This is a finishing touch because one more thing that makes the room feel finished and intentional is a rug. So I didn't just get any rug. I purchased a ruggable rug. I absolutely love them. I have several down in my YouTube studio. I just purchased one for my living room, and I love this one in the laundry room because you can just throw them in the washer and put in the dryer and you're done. So it sits in front of the washer and dryer. And I just think that, again, it just makes the room feel very polished. It softens the space. And as I said, it's washable because this is a laundry room, not a museum. And I love that the rug instantly makes the whole setup feel more like a real room. And also, it's nicer on your feet when you're standing here folding and negotiating with fitted sheets. Okay, after 50 years, I kind of have fitted sheets down. I've followed Martha Stewart's rules, but sometimes I still have a little bit of a challenge there. And I also love ruggable rugs because they come with their own little pad. Okay, ladies, so that is my laundry room in a nutshell. So here are the upgrades one more time. So paint, hardware, better lighting. Yep, super easy. A washer dryer countertop folding surface, or as I'm using it, you can just add it for extra storage. Clear jars, labels, and a simple system in place. Functional wall art. A lamp. And then zones. So I have baskets, scent, and that washable rug. So ladies, if you want to recreate this, I've linked everything to Amazon down below in the description box. Jars, labels, the countertop, prints, the whole shebang. Now, tell me in the comments, what's the one thing your laundry space needs most? More storage, better lighting, a folding surface, or are we all voting for a laundry fairy? I wouldn't mind that. Someone that just came in and did my laundry every week, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. So thanks for watching, ladies. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? You need to be part of the Grit and Glam Club. So hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.